Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have multiple Monopoly Go accounts. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So the first thing that we have to know here is what are the requirements for you to have multiple Monopoly Go accounts. So what you need to do here is just basically create another Facebook account. So you need to have two Facebook accounts if you want to have two Monopoly Go accounts. So you have to have a unique Facebook account for you to start a new Monopoly game. So in this case, how do we actually access the other account? So if you want to access the other account, we have to clear data that we have right now on our Monopoly Go. So in this case, make sure the first account that you already have on your Monopoly Go is actually connected to your first Facebook account, because if you don't have it connected, you lose any progression. So logging in or connecting your account is really advisable. So if you don't know how yet to connect your account, just click on the 3-bar icon at the top right, and from here you want to go to settings, and from here just click on connect account, and you'll be able to connect your Facebook account to your current game here on Monopoly Go. Now again, how to access our other account. So first thing is you want to exit Monopoly Go here and look for the Monopoly Go application icon here. So go ahead and press and hold on it if you want to go to the app info. And from here you want to scroll down a bit, and from here you should look for the clear data option. And from here what you need to do is you need to clear your data. Now once you've cleared your data here, what you need to do next is just confirm that you really want to confirm this data. No worries on this one, because you're not actually deleting your account as long as your account is actually connected to Facebook. You will not lose any progression on your game. So we're only deleting the local files that we have right now on Monopoly Go. Basically resetting Monopoly Go to its very first state, wherein we could just basically start connecting our second account. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.